Hello, Amazing All Stars. Today is Thursday, March 10th. Let's find out what's on our number corner activity. Let's check the calendar. Here we go. We've been talking about telling time, and we're seeing that the time has been changing. We might have an hour of time go by, or even 30 minutes, or half of an hour go by. So when we moved from Tuesday to Wednesday's time, we went from 4:30 to 5 o'clock. Yesterday's time was 5 o'clock. What do you think will be on today's calendar card? Will it move up by 30 minutes or an hour? Let's find out. Oh my goodness, if you look at this digital clock, it says 6 o'clock. So it moved from 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock, which is a full hour of time that has gone by. A full hour. Wow. If we continue with our number corner, we're going to go to our days in school. And we'll add another day. Time is going by so fast. We're adding on another day, which makes it now 114 days that we've been together in school. We'll change all of this to reflect 114. 114 here. 114 here. 114 here. And I'm going to change this. I'm going to make this 50 plus 50 plus 14 as a way to make the number 114. And then I'm going to add one more cube. So we have 100 plus 10, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114 cubes. 114. That's a lot of cubes. We're going to now go to our dimes and nickels and penny collector. And it's time for us to spin our spinner. I'll make the spinner bigger for you so that you can see it. And we're going to spin. Whoa, we have one dime and one nickel. We haven't had a nickel yet, so I'm excited to have a nickel as part of our collection. One dime. Wow, we have a lot of dimes this week. And one nickel. Remember, dimes are 10 and nickels are worth 5 cents. Pennies are worth 1 cent. And that means tomorrow on Friday, we'll have a chance to count all of the coins we've collected for the week. Super exciting. As we continue to talk about math and numbers, we talked about telling time with a clock. We talked about adding 114 days. What I want to do at this time is this. I want to go to this area and spend a little time here today. We were talking about different ways to make the number 10. That's our goal. That's what we're focusing on. And we've had 9 plus 1, that equals 10. And then we could take that same information and make it 10 minus 9 equals 1. So those work well. Let's see if we can try another. Oh, we don't have anything that we use for that. Ah, now we do. We have 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 equals 10. We can take that same information and actually do a turnaround. First of all, we could say 4 plus 6 equals 10. And we could go 10 minus 6 equals 4. And 4 minus, 10 minus 4 equals 6. 10 minus 4 equals 6. So again, I am always going to challenge you this entire month All Stars, to think of math facts that you can add together that equal 10, and think of math facts that you can subtract 10 minus those two numbers. So I want you to work on that. That is something that will be our big focus for the entire month. All Stars, I just want to take a moment and go through this clock for a moment. You know I love telling time on the clock. What time do you see on this clock right now? The little hand is on the 5 and the big hand is on the 12. Your time on this clock is 5:00. And remember, if I moved on this clock and moved that big hand and it moved 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, ooh, and I put that big hand instead of being on the 5, if I did this instead, where I have the little hand in between the 5 and the 6, and the big hand on the 6, this time is no longer 5:00. This time is now 5:30. It's very important, All Stars, that you practice this. We're going to practice it together. We'll be doing some activities together this month. I know you can do this. I believe in you. I would like you right now to focus on making math facts, addition and subtraction facts using the number 10, two numbers that equal 10, and then 10 minus two numbers. In addition, I want you to practice counting. Here we go. From the number 75 to 100, and then count backwards from 100 to the number 75. I know you can do it. Off you go.